On a bright, sunny morning, Mitchell bounded down the stairs, his hair all ruffled and his pajamas a little wonky. On the table gleamed a shiny little book he'd never seen before. The golden letters on the cover sparkled. My Food Passport. Mitchell's eyes grew big and round like two marbles. He opened the book and... whoosh! Mitchell felt a swirly, wirely wind scoop him up. The room spun, and suddenly he plopped down in a kitchen filled with cheerful music and colorful aprons. He was in North America, and the air smelled warm and spicy. A lively family waved wooden spoons. "Welcome," they called. "Let's make tacos." They washed their hands and laid out soft tortillas. Everyone scooped in beans, bright veggies, and melty cheese. Mitchell took a big bite. Crunch, munch. They all laughed together. "Food is more fun when we share," said the family. Mitchell giggled and pressed a stamp onto his passport. "North America, tick." Suddenly the kitchen twirled away and a gentle breeze landed Mitchell in a cozy European home. He saw a long table covered in flour and bowls. Laughter filled the room as children showed Mitchell how to roll dough and twirl pasta around forks. "Twist it, taste it, try it," they sang. Over lunch, they shared silly stories between spoonfuls. "In our culture, meals bring families together," smiled the grandma. Mitchell's passport earned another stamp. Europe, tick. Whoosh! Mitchell found himself sitting cross-legged on the floor in an Asian home. Bowls of steamy rice, bright veggies, and tofu sat in the center. The children showed Mitchell how to share food, passing small plates and always saying, "Thank you." "Food teaches respect and care," they explained. Mitchell felt warm and happy inside. Another stamp. Asia, tick. The next landing brought a thunder of drums. Boom, boom. Mitchell was now in Africa, where the air was filled with music and delicious smells. Families prepared plantains, grains, and rich stews in big pots over open fires. Everyone danced, clapped, and sang before tucking in. "Food is celebration," they cheered, stomping their feet to the beat. Mitchell stamped his passport again. Africa, tick. Swish! The sun shone high as Mitchell popped up in South America, just in time for dumpling day.